Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going on an exciting culinary adventure to discover the most delicious and healthy breakfast ideas that will help you power through your morning and reach your weight loss goals. We all know breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but sometimes it's hard to come up with exciting and healthy options. Don't worry, I've got you covered. I've put together 7 super easy and incredibly tasty breakfast recipes that will make you excited to jump out of bed in the morning. So grab your mixing bowls and spatulas and let's get cooking. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more fun and easy recipes. Let's get started. First up, we have a classic breakfast staple that's super easy to whip up: the Greek Yogurt Parfait. It's like a party in a jar, and it's packed with protein to keep you full and satisfied all morning long. Start with a layer of creamy Greek yogurt. I like to use non-fat plain yogurt because I can control the sweetness. Then, add a layer of your favorite berries. I'm using a mix of juicy blueberries and raspberries for a burst of antioxidants and flavor. Finally, top it off with a sprinkle of crunchy granola for a satisfying crunch. I love using homemade granola, but store-bought works great too, and there you have it, a delicious and healthy breakfast that's ready in minutes. Next up is the ever-popular Avocado Toast. This trendy breakfast is not only delicious but also packed with healthy fats and fiber to keep you feeling full and energized. Start with a slice of toasted whole grain bread for a boost of fiber. Then, mash half an avocado and spread it evenly over the toast. Avocados are full of healthy fats that are great for your heart and brain. To take it up a notch, add a sprinkle of salt, pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for an extra kick. For an extra protein boost, top it with a perfectly poached egg. If you're always running late in the morning, overnight oats are the perfect breakfast solution for you. They're like magic. You mix everything together the night before and they're ready to eat when you wake up. In a jar or container, combine rolled oats, your favorite milk, I'm using almond milk, a spoonful of chia seeds for extra fiber and omega-3s, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Give it a good stir, cover it up, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, top your overnight oats with fresh fruit, a sprinkle of nuts, or a dollop of nut butter for a breakfast that's as delicious as it is convenient. For a savory and protein-packed breakfast, you can't go wrong with a veggie omelet. It's a great way to sneak in your veggies and keep you full until lunchtime. Whisk together 2 egg whites or 1 whole egg with a splash of water or milk. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour the egg mixture into the pan and let it cook for a minute or 2. Then add your favorite chopped veggies. I'm using spinach, tomatoes, and bell peppers for a boost of vitamins and flavor. Fold the omelet in half and cook for another minute or until the eggs are cooked through. If you're a fan of smoothies, you're going to love smoothie bowls. They're thicker than your average smoothie, so you can eat them with a spoon and add tons of fun toppings. In a blender, combine a handful of spinach, a frozen banana, a scoop of your favorite protein powder, and a splash of almond milk or water. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour the smoothie mixture into a bowl and get creative with your toppings. I'm adding sliced bananas, fresh berries, a sprinkle of chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey. Cottage cheese might not sound like the most exciting breakfast option, but trust me on this one. When you pair it with the sweetness of pineapple, it's surprisingly delicious and refreshing. Cottage cheese is packed with protein, which is essential for weight loss and muscle growth. Plus, it's low in calories and fat, making it a healthy and satisfying breakfast option. Simply combine a scoop of cottage cheese with a handful of diced pineapple. The sweetness of the pineapple perfectly balances the tanginess of the cottage cheese, creating a flavor combination that will have you hooked. Last but not least, we have peanut butter banana rice cakes. This classic combination is a match made in breakfast heaven, and it's ready in minutes. Rice cakes are a low-calorie and gluten-free option for breakfast. They provide a good source of carbohydrates for energy to start your day. Spread a tablespoon of peanut butter on a rice cake and top it with sliced bananas. Peanut butter provides healthy fats and protein, while bananas offer potassium and fiber. And there you have it, 7 healthy and delicious breakfast ideas that will help you kickstart your day and reach your weight loss goals. I hope you enjoyed this culinary journey as much as I did. Now it's your turn to try out these recipes and let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun and easy recipe ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!